Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. CMFRI is one of the largest fisheries institutes in the country as well as in South Asia. The institute caters to the requirement of the marine fishery, the sustainable marine fishery resources of the country as well as augmenting fish production of the nation. Fish farming includes not only fish and crustaceans, but it includes seaweeds as well. Seaweeds are the macroalgal species that are abundant worldwide, and there are more than 10,000 species occurring in different parts of the world, and most of these are economically important. So in India we have these macroalgal resources of 700 species, and out of these, roughly 60 species are commercially important. It has been estimated that the country has a potential of 2.6 lakh tons of seaweeds that can be harvested from wild per year from the Indian seas. So in addition, we can cultivate these resources so that the production can be increased. The CMFRI is involved in farming of these valuable marine resources since late 1970s. Recently the Prime Minister of India, Honorable Prime Minister of India, has given a lot of emphasis on promoting seaweed farming in the country. The institute has estimated the annual production of seaweed which is somewhere around 55,000 tons wet weight, which includes the wild harvested material as well as the farmed material. CMFRI has given a lot of emphasis on seaweed farming, and the species includes Gracilaria edulis, Gelidiola acerosa, Gracilaria salicornia, and an exotic species called Capophytes alvarez. The institute has identified 333 potential sites along the Indian coast, covering an area of roughly 27,000 hectares, these areas are suitable for seaweed farming, and from this much area we can have a production potential of 9.7 million tons per year. Seaweeds are consumed in many countries, especially in the Southeast Asian countries and several other Oriental countries, and even in some parts of Europe also. So they are used in there are several products in the Southeast Asian countries, and the famous sushi is the sushi rice fish or rice meat wrap is made. It's wrapped with the seaweeds. Then comes the most important aspect of the seaweeds. It's a gold mine of several nutraceutical compounds, and for consuming the nutraceuticals extracted from the seaweeds, you can successfully control several lifestyle diseases. In addition, seaweeds, by acting as a carbon sink material, so they can be used to control global warming as well. And CMFRI recommends seaweeds along with the sea cage farming, because it also helps us in bioremediation of the waste material generated from the cage farms. The Marine Biotechnology, Fish Nutrition and the Health Division of CMFRI has developed 12 very important nutraceuticals from seaweeds which can combat the lifestyle diseases. These include the nutraceuticals for controlling type 2 diabetes, hypertension, arthritis, osteoporosis, hypothyroidism and so on. I'm very proud to say that the Marine Biotechnology, Fish Nutrition and the Health Division of CMFRI, under the eminent leadership of Dr. Kajal Chakrabarti, Head of Division, has developed 12 nutraceuticals.
CMFRI has developed various nutraceuticals from seaweeds. Seaweeds are basically termed as the wonder hearts of the ocean. and those nutraceuticals which we have developed or commercialized are used against dyslipidemia, named as Kadalmin anti-hypercholesterolamic extract, for use against arthritis, named as Kadalmin green algal extract, for use against type 2 diabetes, which is named as Kadalmin anti-diabetic extract, and for use against hypertension, it is used named as Kadalmin anti-hypertensive extract, and to boost immunity, basically antiviral immunity booster, it is named as Kadalmin Immuno Boost extract. So the nutraceuticals developed by CMFRI has been subjected to detailed preclinical and toxicity studies, for example acute, subchronic and chronic, and we could able to see that lethal dose 50 value of all these products are around 4000 to 5000 milligram per kg body weight. That signifies that these are safe for human consumption. Also, we did detailed histopathological and serum biochemical parameters also we have taken into account, and we didn't see any adverse side effects on various histopathology of major organs, for example brain, liver, thyroid gland, kidney and other major organs. We did heart, we didn't see any adverse effects on their histopathology. Also serum biochemical parameters, we could be able to understand that it doesn't have any adverse effect on various serum biochemical parameters. In fact, we have seen the serum biochemical parameters have shown a very good, like for example very good lipids, triglyceride has reduced, and other various parameters also we have seen that they are good for serum biochemical parameters. So synthetic compound, basically as you know, they are developed in the laboratory condition, they are synthesized in artificial conditions, and these nutraceuticals whatever we have developed from seaweeds are basically nature derived drugs, means they are directly harvested. These biomolecules have been directly harvested from the nature and used it in our product, so that now we are not changing the structure of the molecules what is available in nature. So unlike synthetics, these natural derived compounds, bioactive compounds which have been used to develop this nutraceutical are not having any adverse side effects, as I told earlier. So either on serum biochemistry or histopathology or various other medical parameters. So therefore, they are obviously safer than the synthetic drugs and derivatives. Algamin tensionis, which is used against hypertension, also has been commercialized to Pioneer Pharmaceuticals, and which is a nutraceutical to be used against hypertension. That active ingredients of algamin hypertensionis is basically inhibits angiotensin converting enzyme. Now angiotensin converting enzyme basically converts angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2 in the body. Angiotensin 2 is a potential vasoconstrictor which constricts the blood vessel, thereby increasing blood pressure, and which ultimately leads to hypertension. So algamin tension is also, other than hypertension, it helps relieving stress and anxiety which are related to hypertension. Algamin tension has been developed from the seaweeds by an eco-friendly green technology. The active ingredients have been extracted from seaweeds with completely 100% eco-friendly green technology to develop this particular product.